Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw classic Iron Man. So let's get in at the top. We're going to draw head, shoulders, full body pick down to the feet round here. So I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to draw like that famous sort of domed head. Now this is a classic one, so it's kind of a little bit more simplified than some of the other ones I've drawn. So let's go and put a dot about here. And that's going to be like the central point sort of that comes out in like a bit of a triangular element. So I'm going to take my pen, I'm going to come upwards this way and down like that. Then on the other side, I'm going to come back out there and then down this way. That's the side of his head, about there. Right, now I've got that in, I can kind of come in where the cheekbones are. So I'm going to come in sort of this way, I'm going to come in there and I'm going to come in this way. And then I'm going to work it down either side, so that just level that up a little bit, and we're going to come down like that, okay? Right, now I've got that sort of central point done. Just going to pop in a little sort of mouth area, sort of like a little line just a bit higher than those lines. Then I'm going to just chip it down either side like that. Okay, so now that's in, I can pop in the eyes. So I've got one eye, sort of like two, there's sort of like two sort of rectangles at a bit of an angle. So I've got one that sort of comes in like this, or two lines like that. Just chip them down there. A little bit of an angry brow on him, so just like that. And then one that sort of comes in this side, so one there, one line there. Again, chip him in like that, bit of an angry brow. Adds a little bit of character to the face. Now, I've got that bit in there. What I want to do is just draw this nice sort of domed top on Iron Man. You see a little bit more on the left-hand side there. So what I'm going to do is sort of come up from here, draw a nice sort of domed element, comes up this way, nice and steady, down to that side point there. There we go. Okay, now I've got that in, you can almost see like two of his ears. So I've just got one little line here, one little line there, we sort of got the ears of him. And then what I'm going to do is sort of get that jawline in, chin. So the chin is probably about this point here. Just going to draw in a nice line there. Then I'm going to do a nice sort of angle either side of that. And then we're just going to join that up to the cheekbone area there, cheekbone area there. Okay, cool. A little bit of detail there, just a couple of little lines in there, a little link down to sort of like the chin area there. Maybe we'll just make that mouth area just a little bit wider. These bits sort of link up, so I'm just going to sort of draw in where the under the ears, sort of just bring it in a little bit, so it's just a little bit rounded. And then I'm going to pop the neck in, so the neck will come down to about this point here. So I'm just going to do one light line down this way, and one line here. Okay, so we've got that neck, and then what we've got is like a curve around it, like a circular element that sort of the head sort of pops out of. So it kind of comes from here. Just going to get my pen. So we'll draw a nice circular element around like that, and we'll just sort of pipe that as we go around like that, okay? It's got that nice sort of circular element of Iron Man. Okay, now we can get onto the sort of upper body and shoulders. So first of all, there's a line that sort of comes out either side. So come in a little bit where we're drawing that little line there, the little circular element. Then we can just sort of come outwards like this. And on this side, we're going to come down just a little bit further, sort of straight but slightly curved like that. Just bring it out ever so slightly either side. Now, just before we go into that, the shoulder armour, there's a little sort of band that sort of comes up and around. So I'm just sort of going to go and draw like a nice little sort of rounded element that sort of comes around like that. And on this side, sort of comes out from here. We'll draw that nice rounded element, sort of comes down here and then back upwards like that, okay? Cool. Okay, we've got those bits in, so I think it's quite nice to sort of add the elements of the torso in now. So the upper body sort of comes down in here to the torso. So I'm going to sort of bring in my pen, just sort of bring it in here. And on this side, there's a little bit of his arm there. So actually, let's just fill that in. It kind of comes just on that corner of that part that we did. Just going to draw a little sort of bicep there. And then I'll get to about midpoint of it, and I can just draw in a nice curve like that, so it sort of tapers in a bit. Then what we can do is just get the torso in, so the nice bit of outline. So just bring your pen down that way. And on the other side, we're just going to bring the pen down to about here where the hips begin, okay? Now it has a bit of a belt element just popping out. So all I need to do there is just bring my pen out. Just bring my pen out. It's a nice bit of sort of detail and texture on the figure. And then what this does, it sort of comes down sort of like the midsection of him. So it's kind of going to come down here, just sort of draw a little chip inwards there, and then we're going to come around to that point there. Then the midsection of his legs is probably about here, and we're just going to draw a nice sort of band all the way up to that line, and on this side we're going to draw it all the way up to that line there, okay? So kind of just sort of draw in just on the edge there with that. Okay, now I can just start popping the legs in. So the armoured leg sort of on this side, let's have a look at this one. The knee's about here. So I'm going to go to the inner part there and just sort of bring my pen down. Nice curve to the knee section. And on this side, sort of come in where we draw that belt area. Bring it down a bit there. What I will do is just come out a little bit there where the armour is. And then taper it in like that. Now on this side, what I'll do while I'm here, where we've come out a little bit there, just going to come up and kind of down and in like that, okay? Now on this side, the knee area is about here, the foot sort of comes down this way, the leg sort of comes down this way, the foot here. So I'm going to come just on the inner part. Let's do that bit first. That's going to come in from about the midsection here. I'm going to draw a nice sort of curve into the back of the knee there. And the front, what I'll do again, just draw it down a little bit, a bit like this side, and then we'll come out a bit. And then we'll go to the knee section about here. So all I need to do is just curve it around to about there. Cool, okay, that's the upper legs kind of sorted. Now when it comes to the knees, I'm going to draw a line, just go up here, just going to draw a line in here, join those up like that, so we've got a bit of like a upper leg armour. Now the knee section sort of tapers down, so I'm going to come down to about there, just diagonally in, and this side, and we'll join that up. And on this side, the knee sort of pops out a bit further that way, so I'm going to come out a bit more and down, and then in, and then I'm just going to diagonally go up this way to the back of the knee there. And then we can kind of just draw a little bit more in here, cap it off, so we've got those sort of knee elements in. Now this leg here, I'm going to go down to the ankle there, so I'm going to draw sort of the shins in the middle here, so we've got the, sort of the calf muscle at the back here coming out, so it kind of widens out and goes in. So from sort of this section here, just going to bring my pen, widen it out, come inwards there, maybe just pop it out again. And on this side, bring your pen out, taper it in, and pop it out sort of where the ankle area is. It kind of widens out again where the boots go. While we're there, let's just draw 1, 2, 3 little bits. Now on this side, the shin's more here and the calf's coming around the back. So what I'm going to do is sort of from that point there, just come out a little bit, but can come in and out. And the back, where we've got that little lift there, bring your pen out, bring it in like that there. And while we're there, what we can do, we can just go draw a nice line there, down, sort of bring it up and sort of edge that side there. And that edge sort of continues this side, so I'm just going to sort of pipe almost that point there. Okay, let's look at this leg, or this foot. It kind of comes down a little bit here, and then it comes out to about this point, so I'm just going to sort of taper down to the front, come down, and then we're going to round it out to the heel back here. So I'm just going to round it out where the base of the foot is to the back, and then the heel's about there, bring it up, okay? So you've got a nice sort of robotic foot. On this side, it's much more sort of straight on. So what I'm going to do, the outer part is just going to come outwards and then bring it in, and then nice and square there, back to the ball of the foot and to the heel and up. That's all we need to do. We've got that nice sort of stance there. Now on the right hand side, what I'm going to do is just have a look at just popping the shoulder panel in first, and then we'll continue the arm down to about here. So right here, I'm going to do a nice curve out, sort of down to about this point. So from that edge point there, bring your pen out and down like that. Then we can just bring it in like here, go up and then inwards that way. Now the triceps sort of here, first of all, probably from about that point we draw in, then we come out a bit where the tricep goes there. Now the armour kind of changes from sort of the gold to the red around here, so what I'm going to do is just draw a little dot there, and I'm going to bring my pen, just curve it around to the edge of that bicep, and then curve it around to the edge of that tricep, and then bring it out there, and down, and then about here I guess we go out and taper it in to the wrist area here, just cap it off. Now Iron Man's got that kind of like clasped grip going on, so what I'm going to do is come out here and draw a thumb. So I'm going to come out here to the lower area of the thumb, thumb's about here, so just draw a nice oblong, and then back, and then here we come out to the outer part of the hand, and then we sort of come in, we give a hint of a finger there, and then there's a larger finger at this point sort of wrapped around there. I think that's all we need to do. It gives a really good impression that there's a hand there. On this side, I'm going to come out, just going to draw the equivalent of the shoulder pad on this side. Obviously it's a bit further pushed back, so I'm going to come out to about there. So we're going to sort of get the pen, sort of bring it out there, down, come back up and in. And then we've got loads of room to sort of draw in sort of the arm. I think the fold of the arm's here, so I'm going to just come in a bit there, and then we're going to sort of draw the bicep area in there, and we'll just actually, we can just bring that round. Then what I'll do again, I'm going to just draw a little dot, and we're going to just bring it up there, and then bring it up into like Iron Man's side there. Then the wrist I think is going to be sort of about this point here. So what I'm going to do from this corner, bring your pen out and then taper into the wrist area. And then on this side, we're going to sort of come in and taper into the wrist area there. And we'll just join that up. Now on this side's got that clasped grip again. So first of all, I'm going to draw down to the thumb. So I've got the back of the thumb area there and a nice oblong here. And then bring it up. And then I'm going to draw the outer part of the hand, bring it down and sort of be quite severe with your angles, and we'll just sort of give a hint that the fingers are in there. And I think that's all we need to do. Okay, that's the general outline of Iron Man, the classic version, nice and sort of rounded. Let's just put a little bit of detail in, make it look a little bit more like Iron Man that we know. So what I'm going to do first is go up to this central point here. We're going to draw the circular power area. So I'm going to kind of go here, and I'm going to kind of draw in a nice circular power area that the classic skin has got. And then what I'm going to do is come out and just sort of pipe it. So just draw around that area there. Nice and steady. Now there's a little bit of sort of detail in the center here. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to draw a line there and a line underneath. And then what I'm going to do is to sort of just bring my pen up either side. So I've got that kind of contained, and then that's going to just go out to the central point there and go out to sort of the side of him here, around up to there. There's a couple of little vents underneath, so I'm just going to make that into a triangle, and here as well. And they're like little vents, but what I'll do is just colour that in black. It'd be nice to get a bit of sort of shading going on. And then as we go down, sort of the rib area, or the ab area sort of is contained with more of these lines. So I'm going to draw, so there's one underneath here. Let's just cap those off first of all. So we'll draw in a couple of little lines there, and then lines out. That kind of goes up that way. And then what I'm going to do is just go 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to draw in a nice sort of diagonal lines of the abs. And on this side, this will go up that way, 1, 2, 3. Then there's a little bit of sort of detail in the middle. So I'm just going to sort of maybe just pop in a couple of little lines just to give it the idea of sort of vents and things like that. But I think I might just leave it at that in the center. Now, there's a couple of little circles just underneath, like this area where the neckline is. So I'm just going to sort of pop in 1, 2 like that. And then there's like a little line that comes down and in. And on this side, it kind of comes down and in and just comes down to the back there. Just going to pipe the edges of these shoulder pads, give it a nice little bit of detail. And then actually in his face, there's almost like a little bit of like a chip sort of vent there, so let's pop those in. On the bicep, I sort of drawn it on that side. There's a couple of little sort of lines that go along the top, so let's just pop a couple of little lines in. And then on the bottom, like here, we can just pop a couple of little sort of joint elements in like that. Just a little hint, sort of robotic sort of arm around there. And you can do this if you like. You don't have to do all the detail. It's just quite nice sometimes just to draw a few little lines on there, make them look like a bit mechanical. Almost like a little sort of light area on that point there. And then as we come to the leg area, let's just I think we should just sort of just pipe it off a little bit. And as we come here, we actually haven't drawn this little bit in here, so it kind of comes down here. Let's go down that way and around the back there. And this one sort of comes around the back too, let's just pipe it there. We'll just sort of head that off with a nice little bit of piping. And then there's just a little bit of sort of detail in there. So I'm just going to sort of draw in a couple of little lines, add some interest. Along the knee, I'm just going to pop a little rectangle here and then sort of have it looking like it comes down this way. And then there's almost like another little piece that sort of comes down here. The shin is sort of like two lines like that. And then there's almost like a little sort of triangular area of light going on there. Maybe a couple of little extra little points if you want to put them in. And then on the center, as we go to the shoe, what I'm going to do, or the boot, I'm going to sort of just draw a couple of little lines in there, make it easy for ourselves. There's a little toe area that sort of pops up around here. Maybe I'll just sort of cap that off either side. And then maybe just a couple of lines just to make it look a little bit more robotic. Maybe just up here, just another little couple of lines. And maybe up on the top here, let's just draw a couple of little lines there. And there's almost, on here, there's a couple of little lights. I'm just gonna, a little bit of curved element there. Right, I'm just gonna edge my picture off a little bit. So I've just got sort of the edges popped because I appreciate that he's got quite a lot of detail on him. But that's what makes Iron Man quite fun to draw. Sort of all those detail bits. And like I say, you don't have to do all those little bits and pieces. And if you coloured him in sort of red and sort of yellowy gold, I think you'd still know it was Iron Man. But it's quite nice to put all the sort of the tech that he's got on him. It's quite good fun. So I'll just sort of go around him, just accentuate the edges, make it look a bit more like, I guess, like comic art. Especially as there's not many areas in this one where we can put some sort of cross hatching and things like that. So it's quite nice actually, just to sort of beef up the edges. There we go. I think that's really sort of helped beef up our picture. Really quite nice to sort of accentuate, maybe just need to accentuate a couple of little elements, maybe in here, sort of the bigger parts of the character, maybe sort of that leg area, just sort of double hit the line so it's a bit chunkier. Maybe this line as well in here, the armor sort of changes. And then maybe just at the back here, maybe that can be just a bit darker as well, so it sort of goes off into like the ether, I suppose. A couple of little lines in just on the neck, like that, and then I think I'm happy with that. I think I'm not going to touch too much more now, otherwise I'm going to start fiddling around with it. And I think that's good enough, right? Just on that chest area, around there. So there we are, that is Iron Man, the classic version, skin on Fortnite. Let me know what you think on the Art Draw channel, let me know who else I can be drawing, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.